Akuzasho ukuthi ni angisawuyena umuntu engingahlala nani.
Yeah, not because I'm better.
Not because I'm better. I'm becoming better.
Anisayibona abantu bohambo lwami.
Exactly. Uma ngabe nifuna sixoxe uzanda. Yabo, thathana amakhosikazi kwenze wasokhuluma ngendaba zamakhosikazi ukuthi ukanjani. Angeke ngize ngihlale nani nina aninesikhathi sonke.
But when you buza ukuthi according to you, man, be honest, what do you think is more important as a guy between your family and your family, like your wife and your child?
Yeah.
That's your family, the family that you're building.
Yeah.
Or your family, the family that you're coming from.
Yeah.
Between the two, which one is a priority? Which one is more important?
Family yakho le endala nani, but if bengingedwa it was gonna be easy. So for me sengisho ukuthi mawukhulisa ingane uyayiphelezela ukuthi mayiqhubeke nempilo. Yabo, because nina lesimeni siphilayo ekhaya isimeni sijwayele.
Yeah.
Yabo?
Akhondwe nje.
Exactly. What if umbono wami uthi no, drop out uhambe uqala into ukuthi yabo, because ngoba sengikhona manje sengisesikolweni sengibona ngenye indlela. Nina nizothi nizokhala ukuthi why you are dropping out? Ngifuna ukulandela iphupho lami.
Welcome back, everyone. This is our episode number 2, as you guys can see. Those who watched episode 1, we say welcome back, and laba join us for the first time. Ngiyasho ngithi ayike siyanamukela seningajoyina nje funi subscribe button uzoyithola ujoyine la conversation esibana ngihambi ngedwa. As you guys can see, I'm with the co-host, the one and the only Uzola 7. I'm joking. What is your name? What is your name, Pethu? Like ngibiza ngani? Like ngibiza ngomzolist. But I don't want ukuthi manje ngibiza ngomzolist because like igama ngizokubiza ngalo la. Abantu bazokubiza ngani sibani?
No, mina nguZola igama lami.
Uzola.
Yeah, nguZola igama lami. Yazi ngathi mangabe ngifike eGoli, like they couldn't believe ukuthi it's a name yabo, but what is the meaning? But uZola igama lendawo la eSoweto yabo. Like mangakutshela ukuthi no, it's like it's a Xhosa name uZola yabo. Yeah, but igama like it means calm, like you're a calm person.
Oh, calm person.
Yeah.
Oh.
So yeah, igama lami lisho
uZolile.
Yeah, uyabona. Uyangazi. I'm calm to situations like yonke into like
I'm relaxing.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. Okay, no, yeah, I'm with Zola here. We are doing it again. It's our episode number 2. And yeah, we're just going to go straight to it. Maybe I can just check with you, man. How was the week? Friday, we're recording on Friday. So from Monday, from Monday. We recorded last week on Thursday.
Yeah.
So from that time, about Friday until this Friday, how are things, man? Khamba kanjani?
Yeah, the week like it's going well. It's just that now there's a new responsibility, like to think about people, what stuff that you need to provide for them. Yeah, like we are looking forward to see people, our people, like to share our content.
Yeah. What's the by content create?
Yeah, it looks easy, we are affected. But so like say so beginning now, but it's the love of the people at the end of the day.
During the week, how do we start this podcast, man? I feel like there must be some nice way to start it. No, welcome to blah 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 today, but I have no idea.
Ayo.
I have no idea. Yeah. But I know isonto lakho malihambe kahle ngiyakujabulela lokho. Ngiyazi ukuthi izosebenza kanzima, izosebenza.
Yeah.
Thina ke sesambalekela umlungu. Saba maphanda.
Sonidlendala.
But when you buza ukuthi according to you, man, be honest, what do you think is more important as a guy between your family and your family, like your wife and your child?
Yeah.
That's your family, the family that you're building.
Yeah.
Or your family, the family that you're coming from.
Yeah.
Between the two, which one is a priority? Which one is more important?
That's for sure, bro. It's my family. Le ankosikazi wami nengane yami. That's the important. Yeah. Yes. Why? It's because this family iyona engizohamba naye ingona phakade lami. yabo iyona engizohamba nayo like they are my part yabo makuwukuthi like I'm shifting to another province to another country ngizohamba nabo yabo nomfowethu naye uzoba nefamily yakhe azohamba nayo yabo I can't relate kakhulu nomfowethu or not dadewethu ngibe nginonkosikazi yabo because that's my partner uyena umuntu ozongicover lo more than laba bengicover.
But again, how do you address that in a way ukuthi before ube nomndeni wakho wakhayo njengamanje bo fully dedicated emndenini wakho uphuma kuwona?
Yeah.
But ngeke ukwazi as a person ngeke ukwazi ukuthi mase nomndeni wakhayo usa present ngale ndlela obe present ngayo before ngilabi namndeni wakhayo. How do you make that transition? Because sometimes abantu emndenini baxabanisa ukuthi abantu abasa understand boundary ukuthi kuphi. Yabona into leyo ukuthi unomndeni wakho lo usuka kuwona nomndeni obuildayo wena. Just because usifocus yakho sekile umndeni obuildayo abakini abafweni odadewenu nabazali sometimes umuntu abasa understand because ikubona uma bebona wena basabona lo wamuntu lo waya owayefocusile okanye wayededicated eksizeni umndeni wakho usuka kuwona.
I like it mangabe uthi basabuka lo muntu owayebasiza. So mawuthi basebebuka labantu awayebasiza which means they are focused kakhulu ikusizo that is going to be taken away with this new person. And then that's when the conflict start. Ukuthi manje usizo selizohamba. You know there's two things ezenza ukuthi kube khona like liyanto kubuka kakhulu manje ukuthi okay you have a wife manje so uyaphuma emndenini wakho lo omdala yabo so uza kulomndeni wakho omusha. There's two things. One is jealous. Two, it's laziness. If you are lazy uzoba nenkinga mangiphuma la endlini because uyazi ukuthi le cup le class malifuna uzodluliselwa mina mangabe sengasekho uzodluliselwa ba then you're going to have a problem if I'm leaving. But if you can do that for yourself then you will bless me when I'm leaving. Because you can do it for yourself. The problem that we have about our families is because there is a saying ethini ukuzala ukuzelula yabo so which means ithemba lakho lonke ulibeke kuphi enganeni yabo but wena as a hard worker ithemba lakho ngisho noma ungaba nengane manje ngeke uzulibeke we will be happy mawumbone nivizitile ngena ngalwa mnyango yabo and but you are not expecting anything.
Black tax again.
That's exactly black tax. And the land of my family is shy. That is why kune lobola expensive kangaka yabo. Because why the lobola must be expensive? It's because they don't want to release the child because as athi omunye umuntu masekhuluma adlengane bese graduateile no graduate yabo. Yeah. So now why is all busy lobola because you are attaching the value man. You are doing a farming. Yeah, if uzoba nengane ngenxa uthi uthi akuyinkomo la mawubuka ingane zakho zamantombazana that's farming la you gonna sell these kids. You are doing a farming my brother.
Take price
exactly ukuthi ngizikhulise kanzima kabi lezo wehluke ngani nomuntu othini ngizile nkomo lezi imijovu yabiza nani that is why ngizidayisa ngemali ebiza ngabo. So now mangabe ukuthi uzobizisa ilobolo ngenxa uthini ngizele nginentombi eziningabi mina nginentombi ezu8 which means inkomo zigcwele isibaya lapha kumina. You are doing a farming.
But then when it comes to black tax right black tax ngathini mina ngiyavumelana nayo. I agree with it and ngizokutshela izathu zami but there has to be a line that you cannot cross. There has to be a boundary. There has to be like in ukucabangelana. For example if mfethu ukhule ladleni niyasokola uyi first born waba grand mfethu you are expected my guy to go back and make sure ukuthi umndeni wakho uba right. Njengoba example ngathi ekhaya mfethu sikhule kanzima nawe sazi story sikhule kanzima kakhulu iHotman uBrazil elidala lethemba liba grand kwamele libuye and shout out to him man he came back like full time like he came back in such a way ukuthi if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't be here. And not just him, oledlami indlela mfethu elisokole ngayo ukuze sifike la sikhona njengamanje. I feel like she deserves a black tax. She deserves to be okay now. But now the thing is, into engiyithandayo nengiappreciateayo with the two of them ukuthi they don't have any entitlement ukuthi just because ngasokola ukunikhulisa or just because ngathi mangibagranti ngabuyela kulina ngazongisiza then usuzongenza ngifila ngathi ngiyakukweleta ke manje I owe you. There is no such thing. So which means everything I do for them it comes from their heart and that is fine. Like that, I think that's how black text should work. Ukuthi yes sekwenzakile lokho but there mustn't be any entitlement ukuthi okay ngoba sakukhulisa okanye ngoba nguma wakho ngoba wakho ngikukhulisile then I deserve okanye kuyaphoqa ukuthi ungenzele A no B no C. I think that's where inkinga ziba khona because imindeni eminingi mfowethu i-black text okanye abazali they expect ukuthi you have to. It's not like you should if you want to but you have to.
Yeah.
And if you don't phela sabantu abamnyama mfethu if you don't they can even baqale ke manje sebethi no usobona ukuthi kuyophila ngobunjani because khumbula ukuthi egcineni as abantu abamnyama again most owenza into zakho njana namalobola enjenganani qala umndeni wakho you need them but bayakwazi nabo lokho and some families they use that against you ukuthi okay you should continue with the black text ngobani once sifika lesikhathi lesokuthi uyasidinga we're not going to come through if you're not going to do that. That's where then ngivele ngibone ukuthi ke that's you're unhealthy about the black text.
Yeah, you see when you're going to talk about the black text that's a sensitive topic. Yeah, that's a sensitive topic because see view ngendlela different. Abanye abantu nje like they will swear you when you're gonna call even the word black text abafuna ukuthi uzubizele lo gama but at the end of the day I mean like ilona gama esilisebenzisa
nanokuthi it's a fact.
It's a fact. So my own view the thina like sikhulele kwimindeni ethola ukuthi nama members amaningi and indlela esikhuliswe ngayo sikhuliswe ukuthi nisiye esikolweni like we are asifundiswanga like about business yabo sikhuliswe ukuthi ni go study and have a salary.
Education is key to success.
Education is key to success. But we've realized ukuthi the salary is not enough for the whole entire family. It's either I afford to start my new family, but combined with my old family, then I'm not gonna make it. And then now I'm making a struggle now. What is it that I'm gonna choose? And then if my wife like uthing is does dingayo la esizidingayo so babe sinombono wethu different ifamily yami ine different inombono wayo different now asike sithi umfowethu kanje nginonkosikazi wami la uyazi ukuthi awubafu segrand sorry ubafu segrand okusho ukuthi ufuna ngenze njani ngibheke the question is umbono wakho ungakanani mhlambe wena umbono wakho ukuthi ngoba ubafu se right mina nami ngi right ungena ngegama elithini bafu
se right
ubafu se right at least marginalize kai kuzoba njani sokuzoba right but what about umbono mina enginawo and then it delays me because manje angikwazi I can't do savings umthwalo umningi kumina manje the time mhlambe enye intwana zasendlini seyiqala seba grand seba ne salary mangithi ba grand seba ne salary mina I'm tired already sengithini ayintwana zinawo sozoqhubeka la ngikhona manje mina sengifuna ukurelaxa ngirelaxa ngani ngesalary so if kodwa bengiwukuthi ngiqhubeka nempilo yami kuphela it was gonna be easy that's a fact ngeke uzungiphikisa ukuthi regardless ukuthi mhlambe ubalekela ukufeed family yakho le endala nani but if bengingedwa it was gonna be easy. So for me sengisho ukuthi mawukhulisa ingane uyayiphelezela ukuthi mayiqhubeke nempilo because nina lesimene siphila ekhaya isimene sijwayele
akhondwenje
exactly what if umbono wami uthi no drop out uhambe uqala into ukuthi because ngoba sengikhona manje sengisezikolweni sengibona ngenye indlela nina nizothi nizokhala ukuthi why you are dropping out ngifuna ukulandela iphupho lami but ngeke ngisakwazi ukulandela iphupho lami because manje kunomndeni okwasekhaya ofuna ngunake so I'm not gonna change the generational curse but if ungidedela mina ukuthi ngihambe ngokuphila iphupho lami okusho ukuthi enye into eqala from mina going forward it's gonna change. So now what is it? Are you sustaining umuntu osekhaya osevelo semdala ukuthi akaphile soft but there's no impact azoyenza but uyamphilisa nje kuphela noma you are changing your life for the next generation ukuthi ne confidence engane uyizalayo ukuthi zazi ukuthi umndeni esiphila kuona umndeni kanje. What is it that you are doing? Uthi ngibuze wena umbuzo ke manje ukuthi uphilisa umndeni wakho lo sekhaya ukuthi mawusurvive noma ushintsha ulokhuza umkhokha.
Ngiyakuzwa. Ngathini it gets easier ukusiza umndeni wakho like your siblings and stuff if uyabona ukuthi abantu abazimisele. Like if umuntu ezokhala ukuthi ngifuna registration ngiphase kahle matric ngifuna registration ngifuna ngene university. Yabona into le you can do whatever it takes to make sure ukuthi umuntu leyo uyamsiza because you can see ukuthi you know ukuthi okay uma ngene university in 4 years time umuntu uzobe semsiza na uzobe sesiza na ekhaya. But so mina ngithi ngesingami people like that, people that have a progressive mind, people that are progressive, I think it's easier to help them even though kunzima because you can see ukuthi baya phambili. Ukuthi thina mzolisto ilo kunjana into emele siqaphele as abantu in general. Uma senza i-sacrifice mfethu siyafisa ukubona i-progress because sacrificing without seeing a progress it kills you as a person. It kills you. So that is why kulula ukuzosiza abantu abaprogressayo. But ke kuzoba khona ke i-situation la khona uyasibona ezakho ukuthi azindawo uyasibona ukuthi zi-stagnant azindawo kodwa phela zinobaba. Ziyazi ukuthi hayi no uma ngidinga isneaker uma ngidinga iblue elisha uma ngidinga in ukhona ubaba uma kuphela inyama efrijini uma kuphela ugesi ukhona ubaba but they are not doing anything. Then la ilapho khona ngisho khona ukuthi hayi lapho mfana ilapho kumele ukuthi ke ama boundaries wabeka be clear ukuthi hayi ke
but they're not gonna love you.
They're not. That's the problem.
They're not gonna love you.
They will hurt you. And you get being hated by your family members, your siblings. It's very dangerous. Because people that know you, they know you. They know your weaknesses. They are very dangerous. Like your siblings, abantu mfowethu that you want them in your corner. Or abantu ekumele baba bangani. You don't need them as enemies. You don't want them as enemies. Because they can be very dangerous enemies. Unfortunately, sometimes you have to accept ukuthi bazongizonda. Just for the sake of your progress, for the sake of your dreams, of you achieving your dreams. Because we are born with lana, laban they have no progress. And if I keep on, i-connection yami nabo nje ingiletha down ayikhuphula. Yilapho khona kumele uwamukele ukuthi bazoba izitha.
So wenza njani? Nangi into ngifuna ukuthi wenza njani?
Personally, mina personally fethu mina ngingalokho njalo. Ngiyaphuma emntweni.
Umuntu womndeni. So which means you're not gonna have a home.
Which means ngathini? Which means let's say ubani is it a sibling lesikhuluma ngayo? To me ke manje ngifuna ukwenza. If it's a sibling ngiyaphuma ngiyatshela ukuthi bafo ngisakwazi ukusiza. I'm out. Indaba yakho ngisayingeni.
Okay, abese ngimanipulate ngendlela ngimanipulate ngayo.
Ukuthi ngisitile ngimenzela
no ukuthi ni kufana nothanga namfowethu uyangiyekele
no it's fine then vele gcina mangithatha lo decision uzongizonda akangizonda it's fine I accept ukuthi he's going to be an enemy.
So wenza kanjani ke manje makuukuthi nangu uma wakho ukhulumile ngayo ukuthi was sacrificing yabo for wena ukuthi ube grand yabo usekhaya nangu umfowenu is letting you down but ngeke azaphume kini ngoba kusekhaya
phela kubona wena
exactly wena uthengela uma wakho sofa yabo umfowenu ufika ubhemela kubona bashisa bayasha yabo usizo unikeza uma wakho but lo uyayazi impayilwayo yena ukuthi ngilwa nalo then wenza kanjani kwicase kanjalo nangu uma wakho abazali bakho they are innocent but lona wenzani yena is destroying things. At the same time out ufuna ubathatha abazali bakho ngeke baze bafuna ukushiya lapha yabo bafuna ukuthi basizele endaweni yabo
vele abazali bahle befuna kanjani yabona mfana ngithi that's a very difficult one.
Wenza njani?
Very difficult one but I think
and now uyazi ukuthi ngistrike ngabazali la ukuthi uzobuya
weponaza abazali uthi indaba yami usayingena ngizokuthola ngoba usazobasiza abazali ngizongena ngabo in that situation I know ukuthi kulula ukuthi ngisho kuzoba lula ukuthi mina ngibe neopinion because I don't ngathini I'm not in a situation. I know what it's going to be easy to say much opinion compared to if I was in a situation because sikhuluma ngabazala sikhuluma ngomndeni. But what I would like to believe I would do kulo situation le ukuthi ngiqinisana kubazali bazali ma uyayibona into eyenzakala la ngizama ukuthi kodwa nangu bani ithinto akusi addressa kanjani into yabani and if uma can't address lento le so okusho ukuthi ngiyazama ukuthi mfowethu ngiyayiyeka indaba yakho but ayenzeki le nto because of umzali ngiyaphuma again izofikelela kodwa ngibaclear ukuthi okay ma ngiyastrugglisha ukuthi ngikusize ngoba nangu bani uyangimosha please address that thing address into leyo and lo muntu lo ma ukuthi uzoqhubeka engimosha kanje through wena okusho ukuthi ukuze ngibe safe mina nomndeni wami engiwakhayo I have to let go even like now ngokinkinga ukuthi nawe ngizokushiya because eqaleni uyakhumbula sithini the most important family is the one that you're building the priority the people that come first it's your wife and the children so yes you have to help your abazali bakho you have to help your siblings but the minute they become a stumbling block okanye they become opposing force of your progress of your family's progress that's where my guy I would like to believe ukuthi I would take a decision.
Uyabona ukuthi like why abantu like the white people they beat us yabo. One they start impilo early. Yabona mina like let's say I'm doing a career yabo. Okay, mangabo ukuthi isikolo ngisiqede early. Ngasiqeda at the age of 18 or 19 years, right? Sure. So which means if I'm doing a career 4 years kusho ukuthi ngizoqeda mina ngina 22 years yabo. Okay, I'm starting nami kunezinto eziningi ngibhekene ngiyaqala ukusebenza yabo. Ufuna ngilungisa impilo at the age of okusho ukuthi impilo yami mina ngoze ngiqala mhlawumbe ukufocus yona singe above 30. I'm going to chase behind.
Already behind.
I'm chasing behind. So that is why ngisho ukuthi mina like lendo we just start like thina like South Africa yabo. Into si viewer maseze yakhulunywa umuntu like like nje abantu besilisa like bekhala ngokuthi bahlukumezekile ma relationship abo kuze wazofika uThamara ukuthi aqala akhulume ngezinto zabantu besilisa and then wabona abantu besilisa beziveza ukuthi bahlukumezekile but bethulile naku manje kule case laNandi manje ukhulumile manje abantu besilisa sebeyaqala manje bavela uthuleleni why like singaphili impilo like lesiyaziyo ukuthi it's not about the society what the society ichini structures ndlela esikhule ngayo ukuthi kanjani look at life ophilayo manje ukuthi impilo ikanjani my salary can't accommodate the whole entire family
so ngithini
ngenze njani my salary can't accommodate the whole entire family I have a salary I'm not a businessman
it's a tough one Mazolo it's a tough one lo kwangampela it's a tough one It needs for one to take a very difficult decision to say no my priority is my own family
so which means when ushukuthi you wouldn't blame me makuukuthi ni one day ngithi no I'm leaving my family sengiyoqala into yami that will change my life as a person yabo ngoba bengihlele ekhaya we had all sibe nethuba elifanayo sonke ne ukuthi nisikhuliswe labazali abasikhulisile ne basikhulise ngendlela efanayo but mina ngithema ngisibona isimo ngabona ukuthi okay let me go and fight ne to change my life one by doing that ngiphungula umthwalo ekhaya because abasezungicounter manje ngiyahamba ngiyophanda yabo and then masokuthi ni sengize ngaphanda and then funa ukuthi ngibuye like manje ngizoshintsha isimo sonke ngibuyela kusona and then uthola ukuthi like labantu laba they don't appreciate and worst part of it yazi ukuthi khona umuntu azuko who is suffering ukuthi ni mangigodukile uyekini yabo nangu ubhuti wakho like uyazi like have umuntu nje wasendaweni oyiphuzelayo endaweni nani yabo mayibona imoto yakho vela zinabangani bakho ukuthi bazofuna utshwala yabo at the same time like the fridge is empty yabo yabo but you need to respect them ukuthi sebefikile manje ukuthi you must buy something and mangabe ukuthi awubathengeli like awugcwali yabo but at the end of the day wena ubuyela ukuthini uzosiza olate at least yabo ukuthi lipheke ukuthi naye mase ibuya la ibuya khona edle naye yabo You are not
Hayi,
rich,
mfana.
you have a salary.
Mfana lapho ke yabona leyo ke mfethu le mfethu that's a kind of nonsense I wouldn't put up with, man. I wouldn't do because already umuntu uyabonakala ukuthi uprioritize utshwala kodwa ekhaya akukho right. So wena mawufika uzozama ukulungisa isimo sasekhaya yena ufika ukuthi leshaya azizolisto yini. Leshaya uthina especially me ukuthi I think as abolo but general ukuthi more nobody you need your brother's approval somewhere somehow. Uyadinga ukuthi ublazo lakho mawufika libe nawo usho ukuthi hayi intwana yami sikhona ke manje yabo uyadinga ukuthi ubrazo wakho akugcobe asho athi hayi ngiyabheja ngentwana yami and leyo need leyo ngaphakathi kuthina esho kanjalo igcina senza ukuthi sifole to ama trap ukuthi noba ngawubhuta amafocusini sengizoprioritize ukusiza yena ngotshwala kodwa ekhaya akho lutho efridge just because ngidinga leyo validation leyo ukuthi hayi intwana yami grand. That's where mfethu you have to make sure ukuthi you sacrifice you deal with that need ukuthi ugcotshwe ubhuti wakho and say if you're gonna say I'm useless, it's fine, but mina this is what I would do ngizosiza ekhaya ngoba iyonto ebalekile leyo. But again that means you sacrifice okanye uyaliphosa ithawula ekuthenini ukuthi uzofida leya need yakho ukuthi ubhuti wakho athi hayi ugcwele ngawe.
Exactly. Uyazi ukuthi like uma ngabe kuukuthi ubhuti wakho ugcwele ngawe but now your wife is going to suffer because uma ngabe nigoduka niye emakhaya there is a plan ukuthi okay we're going to spend this amount of money and then bese siyabuyela ngapha yabo. But manje ukusho ukuthi mase ufuna ubhuti wakho agcwale ngawe like kukhona la uzothatha khona ukuthi umgcwalisele ubhuti wakho.
Mase uyakhosikazi somele uchaze manje.
Exactly. Yabo nina niyasazi isimo senu ukuthi sime kanjani la nihleli khona. Yabo uthi isimo sethu sime kanje. So manje wena mase ugcwalisela uthatha kwe amount ebengayisiyona ibudget. Yabo. Number 2 angeke umuntu uze umgcwalisele yabo because mhlawumbe uma kuukuthi ni like kwawuyena like is empty uzama ugcwalisela umuntu kanjalo uzafuna more yabo. Then you are taking from your budget.
That's a very unhealthy relationship that you would be having with your brother. Then those kind of way yabona mzwethu most often i-progress empilweni yakho mfethu. Unhealthy relationship you have to cut, my guy. It's not going to be easy. It's going to be painful. Cutting a relationship, it's very painful. But for the sake of the progress in empilweni yakho, those kinds of relationships, you have to cut them off no matter what, unless uyawamukela ukuthi angeke uyibone progress empilweni yakho. Every time ugodukile ukuthi man ugcwele ngawe yonke into mase buyele endlini mase kumele nibuyele empilweni yenu ke manje nizoqhubeka impilo asisahlangana izinto every time every month makwenze lokho do. It's just unhealthy.
Exactly. Uyazi ukuthi ubhuti wakho mangaba ukuthi like umhlonipha kanjalo mhlambe ngaba umalume like ishasa nje sebenzisa ubhuti most of the time kungaba umalume. Uyazi ukuthi like ngifuna ukuthinta nalabantu abakanje because ama families they are suffering. We need to talk about this thing. And abanye abantu they don't understand these things mangukuthi nazi lokho.
Uyazi ukuthi ngalokho njalo ngeke ngapost video everything ngabona ukuthi ama families are struggling. Ngeke ngapost video ngithi mina last year ngo-December ngathi sihamba manje siye emakhaya. Qinisekisa ukuthi before uze ube yisitha okanye before uthi ama siblings akho wancenke uyaphuma kuwona. Qinisekisa ukuthi uzama ngayo yonke indlela ukulungisa lento leyo. Besithi masingasalungiseki kuyinkinga ngempela engasalungiseki then ungaphuma kubona. And ngangisho le basis ukuthi ngikhonto engikhuluma ngayo ukuthi you have to remember ukuthi manje u4 kini oyedwa wenu uzayihamba yonke imingcwabo yenu. Oyedwa wenu akazuba khona nawo wodwa umngcwabo wenu. Oyedwa wenu nonke niyobe ningeke emngcwabeni wakhe. Yabo ngoba nizohamba ngendlela ezingafani. Ngathi manje ngibeka kanjalo yaba emotional ebantwini abaningi kodwa bathi no kunezimo ongeke ukwazi ukuzilungisa.
Exactly.
Emfethu bazibeka izitori kuma comments engasho ngathi
people they are suffering a lot, man. Kunjani nokuthi like lento bengisho eqaleni ukuthi like yazi ungathola ukuthi like mina I love my wife. Yabo ngiyahlala ngiyakuthanda uba seduze kwakhe most of the time yabo. Mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi uyafika like here is your uncle yabo. uthola ukuthi like nankosikazi wakho seyafika uzokuchecka like uhleli nabo yabo
Yeah.
uhleli naye uyambona na ukuthi hayi useyangidinga manje abufuna ukungibona
Yeah,
uthi kumbamba kancane ehlathini yabo umalume wakho ethi hey mshana kwenziwa ke kanjani ukuloku utotosana nomuntu wesifazane yabo and you will be asking yourself ukuthi umalume why ezongitshela ukuthi why ngithanda unkosikazi wami yabo because umalume akayiyona role model yami yabo mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi umalume enisa izintwana wayishaya unkosikazi wakhe ambhekisele phambi kwenu nibuka yabo ublame wena ukuthi you are loving your wife yabo why would you blame me ukuthi noma ngathiwa ngiyamqabula futhi yabo why ublame mina ukuthi ngiqabula unkosikazi wami phambi kwakho malume but wena wawumshaya unkulo kuze umalumekazi phambi
kwethu yeah
yiphi engcono phakathi kwalezo zombili
yabo phela into ifana nokuthi yayizo nto ifana nokuthi you can't take an advice investment advice from someone who's poor who's never invested in his whole life. You can't take advice in your relationship how to have a good relationship with someone who divorced. Of course there are people who divorced but they are very clear minded. They understand why it happened. But most of the time people that divorced, you can't really take good advice from those people if you don't want to end up divorcing as well. So you can't take advice emntwini if ufuna uyaka right awukwazi to advise ebantwini abayaka left.
Exactly.
Basically.
Because you will find your cousin asho ukuthi uzola since washada akasatholakali. Usho ngale ndlela ukuthi like we had of course angeke ngisatholakala manje.
So nomndeni.
Senginomndeni ngibhekene na. Ufuna mina ngizohlala nani? And then bese ningitshela ukuthi so uyahamba manje udonsa unkosikazi ngekhala yabo ukuthi manje like ningibuyisela phansi yabo it's harsh, it sounds harsh ukuthi angisawuyena umuntu engingahlala nani
not because I'm better
not because I'm better I'm becoming better
anisayibona abantu bohambo lwabo
exactly uma ngabe nifuna sixoxe uzanda yabo thathana amakhosikazi kwenze wasokhuluma ngendaba zamakhosikazi ukuthi ukanjani angeke ngize ngihlale nani nina nesikhathi sonke nesikhathi sonke yabo mabe ukuthi sasibuya kuseni mina kuzofuna ukuthi ngichaze ukuthi kwenzakaleni which that's a question that needs to be asked because not ukuthi ungibuza ngoba uyangilala ungibuza because was worried
accountable
I'm accountable exactly
you know awukwazi ukuthi like it's
when I've got nothing to lose
yabona mawushadile sengiqala libovu ukuthi ungahamba uyekuseni
exactly
lo munye ukazini wakho ongashadile akusinkinga
akusiyona ke
you've got nothing to lose njengokusho mina there's a lot at stake
exactly
yeah I think it's important to know yourself and decide the kind of circles ozoba
exactly
and if you have to leave a circle noba ngabe kupainful kanjani you have to leave it because you know ukuthi when we happy
exactly
and you know once mzolisto wazi ukuthi uyapi mfethu maningi ama sacrifice are painful emile wathatha baningi abantu ababeli bakhathe off.
Okay, asike sikhulume ngalo muntu ke manje simrelease mangabe ukuthi simele simrelease lo muntu onenkinga yokuthi manje I'm suffering ngithatha amaloni nani you know kukhona umoya umngane umsisi ube umngane wami mfethu obeyiphoyisa but angeke ngize ngisho because mhlambe ngingagcina singa understand yazi mfethu wathatha imoto wayipaka somewhere wabese wayidubula kwi-message yakhe wabhala ukuthi ni like ubese engasakwazi ulokhuza uprovide umndeni wakhe ngendlela yanele. Can you imagine? We afford impilo yakhe. But manje
she's doing enough for herself.
So that is why ngithi manje let's talk to that person othi inkinga yami yes ngiyasebenza yes imali I was excited when I was signing the contract ngibona ama figures wemali but manje it's not enough because I have a huge family. So asimkhulule lo muntu sithini phila impilo yakho.
Yabona mfowethu umndeni mfowethu abantu okhule nabo noba ngabe mfethu that is why mohlangana nephara lishawa iphara mafika umndeni walo mfethu babona iphara babona ubhuti wabo babona usisi wabo yezo leyo it's because of ibond esiba nayo nomndeni but Mzolisto there comes a time where now abantu bakini abantu uyabadabukela kumele ubadabukele kumele bacabangele ngoba babantu kodwa mfethu nawe umuntu you come first you are a priority
exactly
as long the minute you have to help you ungangizwa ungizwe kahle mfethu you have to make sure ukuthi wenza ngakho konke okusemandleni ukuthi usize umndeni wakho ngendlela ongawusiza ngawo but the minute ukusiza umndeni wakho sekubeka wena endaweni ongafuni ukuba kuyona
get out
you move on
exactly ngoba mina what I used to say ukuthi akekho umuntu obaluleke ngaphezulu kwami empilweni yami because ngaphandle kwami ngaba ngikwazi yabo
yes
so now yabo ingako like abanye bathi mangabe ukuthi sibe criticize bathi uyazitshela yabo yes of course ngiyazitshela because I took the decision that ngizitshele mina ukuthi ngizala namhlanje ngizohlangana nawo akekho omunye umuntu onjena so ngiyayitshela because I'm taking my own decision for myself
ukuthi Mzolisto yabona amakhuluma ngandaba lo sisi Ndombe eTswayidubu ukuthi mfethu kunabantu even nendlela abakhuliswe ngayo bro indlela emiqondo yabe yiyona they became agreeable people because of indlela abakhuliswe ngayo like kubona kuyabajabulisa ukujabulisa abanye abantu nobe engajabule yena like kuyamjabulisa umuntu ukuthi ngizokwenza konke osemandleni ukuthi abasekhaya bajabule even if it cost me because indlela abenze ngayo and to them that's okay but it's not okay you can't sacrifice yourself because if uthanda abantu kunabantu abazothi no ngiyafisa ukuthi abantu abaseduze kwami abasondele nami bajabule ngoba babalulekile kumina but you yourself are more important than them to you are more important because nabo kubona babalulekile. Exactly. So you come first.
Yeah, it's just that I'm gonna touch something, but I know ukuthi abantu abaningi they will attack me, yabo. Yeah, it's fine.
Let them come.
Well, sikhuluma amaqiniso. Yazi, kukhona enye ingoma engayilalela I think iculwa uKhuzani, yabo. He's a great singer, bro. I think I don't want to talk the politics of my country, but he's huge, bro. He's doing very well. Nami umuntu engimlandela kakhulu kuMaskandi. Yabo. Kunengoma ewake wayicula ethi noma ngahlala emkhukhwini eGoli kodwa ngakhile ekhaya. Uyayizwa ukuthi manje the pressure on that song ukuthi ni mina even if nginganethwa zimvula I'm sacrificing myself for home. I'm spending a lot of time in Joburg. I'm not going to feel the comfort of my work. But a car, they must be comfortable.
Yeah.
Well, of course, it sounds like we kawe maunjalo. But for how long?
Yeah, uyabona already if a person who's that big will make a song like that, that song is lelo ngoma leyo mfethu iyengeza kwi-pressure yabantu abazizamelayo. Yes, because njengamanje if uzohlala emkhukhwini unethwe zimvula just so that ekhaya ba right ubukeka njengana kwi society ubukeka njenganomuntu ozoba uthi oyiqhawe wenze kahle uzoqhathela izandla because awucabangeli wena ucabangela emuva. I'm not saying ucabangela emuva ku wrong but it's those kinds of songs ezifaka i-pressure even more ku society umuntu uzogcina ukuthi manje eGoli ngihlala emkhukhwini nginethwa zimvula kodwa ngisebenza kahle just because ekhaya babe right uzofela ekuthini ukuthi suthi impilo yami useless then thanisba mayibulala
mangabe ukuthi awusakwazi ukubanikeza lezi zinto like siyabona ukuthi kwalo mkhukhu uyadliwa manje kwalo mkhukhu uyadliwa umkhukhu bawuthatha manje ngenxa ukuthi awukho ama pills yabo
khona intombazana mfethu yangibhalela lapha na yathi empilweni yayo isi right and iyazama ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi ijabulise uma wayo but akaze nakwenzeke nakayi-1 uma wayo abona lesi appreciation yonke into ayenzayo kuma wayihleli ingekho enough yonke into ayenzayo and that's because uma wayo apparently wayikhulisa lengane kanzima she went through hell ukuze lengane ibe right so to her it's enough ukuthi afake pressure lengane ukuthi okay so right manje so uthisha manje angibe mnandi ke angibe nemoto angibe mnandi angishaya ama shopping angishaya ama vacation ngoba so right forget about what you want but it's all about what I want because I'm the one struggle I told le ntombazana mfethu ukuthi that is not fair. That in fact she has to cut that thing, man. She has to cut the relationship yakhe noma wakhe.
You see,
Not in a bad way, not to say ukuthi ke manje ngasamkhulumisa. No, she has to have ukuthi mangithe mangizo ngizo 1.5 ngenyanga, that's it. That should be it. Because manje it shows ukuthi even if mfethu engathathi angathi mayihola isalary, ayithathe yonke ayiningi uma wakhe. Abizathi ma cela ungipheke uma she will still not be grateful.
Exactly.
There is nothing she could do ukwenza ukuthi uma wakhe ananiseke. So what's the point? What's the point? What's the point?
Angekazanele. Uyabona ke like le ndlela okhuluma ngayo kukhona umuntu onga understand ukuthi you lie. Akekho umuntu onga appreciate lo nto. But kukhona umuntu osizwa kangcono manje ngale nto okhuluma ukuthi mina ngiyabenzela konke ekhaya but they still don't appreciate yabo. So now that is why ngisho ukuthi the song was big yabo. And we shout out to abantu abenza kanjalo ukuthi ba sacrifice bahlale emkhukhwini ekole babe bakhile emakhaya but ingaze izigcine seyibulala impilo yakho because you are under pressure yabo. Kukhona exactly yabo like le nto ishoyo kukhona abantu bro abanaba families wabo anga appreciate yabo. Otholayo ukuthi you buy something ukuthi ufuna udlulile kulonto le mawufika ubone like abayiphathe ngendlela like gadalala yabo. Baphethe kake
ukubuza kusathafu lapha ekhaya straight umjina sekhaya ulungelo othenga amakhawushi bethe you are sacrifice bathenga amakhawushi bese uzoqhaba kunomshana ke lapha ekhaya asiqhaba umshana udlala wrestling kubona ngabona ukuthi hayi inhliziyo yakhe
yabo
I understand. So
exactly
into kanjalo mfethu kuzenza lokho because ukuthi abayisebenzelanga abantu bephathi nobi kanjani. So kusho mase inenkinga kumele wena futhi still. There are people who are going through that, man, and there is no way out mainly because they don't abanayo any support structure ngaphandle komndeni wabo.
Exactly. Mhlambe othi ngiyimention lento lesisakhuluma ngala because ezinye izinto ungathi irresponsibility kanti uthola ukuthi abantu they are suffering with the poor mind yabo. Kukhona ezinye izinto uthola ukuthi like like njengalabo sofa ukuthi umuntu uthola ukuthi umthengele sofa or ngithengele ikhabeti but unento ukuthi imali uzolithenga lenye yabo. That's a poor mindset leyo ukuthi because you afford uzophinda uzithenge lezo.
So usho ukuthi
like once you buy something ufuna ukudlula kuyona and to appreciate umuntu athenge even more ukuthi ukuyiphatha kahle kulento ekuncane akwenzele yona and then wenza ukuthi look forward to buy the next thing because you appreciate izinto lokho azithengayo yabo.
We understand
ukuthi usebenzele kanzima yabo.
No, kodwa mfethu it's not a sin, it's not wrong to have strong boundaries. One of the expectations or one of my ngathi ngibeke ngesizulu isilungu siyabaleka ezinye zezinto engangizibhekile emntwini wesifazane before ngishade kwawukuthi umuntu wesifazane must have a good not a good but a correct relationship nomndeni wakhe. Mangithi correct ke ngichaza ukuthi if abantu omndeni wakhe it's reasonable people yabo abantu abamcabangelayo omunye umuntu I expect ukuthi umuntu wami abe ne good relationship nalabo bantu because they bayamcabangela omunye umuntu they are good people yabo. So ngingaba nenkinga uma ingenayo relationship right now ekubeni beyabantu aba-right should inkinga ikuyena or vice versa. If umndeni wakhe awukho right, you can't have a good relationship with abantu abangekho right because that means you are sacrificing yourself. If uke manje nami sengizoba umyeni wakho while you are like that means nami I'm going to suffer the same thing yabo. So what is important emndenini, you have to make sure ukuthi you have boundaries that will make sure ukuthi you have a correct relationship nabantu. Ngabo uma wakho ngabo baba wakho have a correct relationship, not a good relationship because sometimes if bengekho right for wena then you shouldn't have a good relationship with them. You should have a relationship that is filled with a lot of boundaries, with a lot of walls. Ukuthi le toxicity yabo okanye negativity yabo ayifikele empilweni yakho. Mabe abantu aba right foot, it's fine. You can have a good relationship aba right.
Exactly.
Lo nto leyo mfethu akusizona isona, akusikona ukuthi ulahlisiwe, akusikona ukuthi uyabalahla. No. It's because you know who you are and you know what you need progress in your life. Ayikho into wrong ngalokho.
Yazi ukuthi nikudala babethi abantu abadala uthola ukuthi like usesikolweni yabo uthola uma ubuya kuthiwa hayi so usebenzile manje mshana kunentombi esikubonela yona le esikubonele yona la endaweni yabo yazi why babesho kanjalo it's because babesiwe bebona mhlambi equality yalo muntu wesifazane but nanokuthi uyasazi isimo sabo yabo ama families amaningi they are suffering because siza la elokhuzeni eMaritzburg esikolweni sizofunda and then we meet abo partner bethu yabo uthola ukuthi wazi wena yabo ezinjani umuntu ofunda yabo wazi wena ukuthi this is the character and ubuka ifamily yakho through you yabo but uthola ukuthi wena you have improved yourself yabo mabe kuukuthi useyafika ekhaya usefikela kwesinye isimo wake wabona umuntu uthola ukuthi akafani nakubo izinto azenzayo akafani nakubo uthi ubona ubhuti wakho uthi ubona usisi wakho akafani uhluke completely yabo you can't believe ukuthi labantu they grow up together bakhuliswa abazali abafanayo wehlukile can you imagine for lo makoti ke uza ngobuso uzoba umakoti but mayifika bese kuthiwa umakoti yabekezela but ufikela kwisimo esingafani nalesi abesi expected and then siyasufferisha umakoti yabo manje that is why bezomzonda manje bamzonda ukuthi thina besikufunela le ntombazane bese siyibonile because iyasazi isimo sethu so now the advice is when you are getting married funa ubheke ukuthi ushada unkosikazi wakho noma ushada unkosikazi womndeni
wakho ngoba lo bakutholela yena uwabo
exactly
umshado unzima ke bro you can't when it comes to umshado mfethu 50% even more than 50% of imishado iyafail so you can't take unkosikazi and for the sake of umndeni wakho because at the end of the day you are the one who has to make that marriage works and bona bahlangene bona they are just reaping ama benefits walo mshado but bona abenzi
like nje thina ngathini mfethu sibani connection enkulu nabazali bethu like more special uma bethu yabo asike sithi uma wakho ucela something yes uzongicela ungithengele ukuthi yabo uthola ukuthi hayi manje sacela ukuthi kume kancane sizophinde siyibone lento umbona ukuthi uyifuna njenga namanje abakwazi kulinda yabo abesathi hey afese nenhliziyo embuzuko yabo angimkhulisanga kanje yabo umakoti uzofila kanjani mayidla lezo zinto esekamereni okusho ukuthi uyena ofike nalento le yabo well of course mhlambe ungathola ukuthi uqinisile umakho akakukhulisanga kanje yabo but you have learned new things manje ukuthi into mayifunakala manje abokusho ukuthi izotholakala manje yabo so manje umakoti useyasafarisha ke manje ufike umakoti all out but manje sekuyinkinga
sure ngibone during the week ngibone ilokhonjana kuphasiswa ilaw the new law about marriage ukuthi neke manje into zitshintshile ke manje abantu abaningi bayakhala ukuthi le law entsha ifike after the case le ya Black Coffee ukuthi ke uyena kahle usibulele if feel the case at Black Coffee zange yenzeke ngaba sikho la sikhona njengamanje but I feel like it was good ukuthi yenzeke le case kwenzela ukuthi uline uzoba clear ukuthi like where do we stand kahle hle kulabo abangazi ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani so basically in South Africa there has been kind of like two kinds of marriages. There's a customary marriage and also the civil marriage. So if customary marriage is like umshado wesizulu okusho ukuthi lo mshado lo customary marriage udictatwa umthetho yesizulu umthetho yesintu angibeke kanjani umthetho yesintu from culture yonke into bese kuzoba khona civil lo ke o detectwa under umthetho lo usebenzisa iconstitution I think it's Roman and Dutch law lesi sebenza la eMzansi so na njengamanje ke usushintshile ke lo mthetho ukuthi sekuthiwa ke manje once walobola usushadile so okusho ukuthi nobungenzani masolobolile nobungenza ama contracts ama prenup yonke into akusasebenzi ngoba nawo Black Coffee limshayile ekugcineni but I do feel like it's unfair to him to be honest with you I do feel like it's unfair to him because I mean the guy worked really hard and for the fact ukuthi baba nayo prenup I think 2017 because according ngengayibheka reports 2011 walobola according to reports ngibonile walobola kwenziwa yonke into zesizulu bese kwathi ngo2017 kwawuma beshada according to them and then they did have a prenup so the fact that they had a prenup before beshada okusho ukuthi kwangekho inhlelweni zakho ukuthi makwenzeka something ashare nonkosikazi wakhe ex-wife njengamanje 50-50 but njengamanje into eyenzakalayo ngathi ngempela kuyomela egcine sekubo 50-50 sho ukuthi yonke into acquire yonke into ayenze after 2011 until now.
Yeah.
Half while uyahamba nonkosikazi, ex-wife. On top of that, I think there's also a spousal allowance or something like that, which is 67,000 a month. Imagine. What do you think about that?
Hey bro, ngingathini nje mina. Yeah, I'm happy ukuthi this case happened, yabo. Because at the end of the day phela kusetshenziswa umuntu oyedwa ukuthi kufunda abantu, yabo. Ngoba kuthiwa belingenzanga. Can you imagine if like this happened to an ordinary person?
Yeah,
then bese ngesazi kanti it's something that is existing, yabo. Yeah, kodwa
But
manje.
do you think it's fair for Blikhov ukuthi kabhekana ngekabhekana njengamanje? Because I mean bengizothi it's fine if zange abe nayo i-prenup. Because ngalo ndlela chaza ukuthi vele wayithi enhliziyweni yakhe nasemqondweni yakhe wayithi hayi masihlukana kuzoba 50-50. But for the fact that wayenza i-prenup ngo-2017 ukusho ukuthi ubengafuni ukuthi kube kanjalo. But uzithola manje esezomila share yonke into nayo. And if that guy is a billionaire, then that means this lady is expecting anything around 500 million, I mean.
Oh, Blikhov is huge, bro.
The guy is international.
Huge. International. Like Choma Ulenda, LA, like uyambona nje kuma billboard.
Yes.
Can you imagine?
Yeah.
Yeah, but ngathini mfethu ukuthi it's just that I don't know like i-law yakhona ukuthi yahamba kanjani, but I think there was lawyers kuyo yonke le process ayenzeka, paying the lobola na yonke into eyenzeka yabo. So kuyikona ukuthi ni ibona abangakhuluma like in the court of law ukuthi i-explanation yabo ngaleso sikhathi okwenzeka leyo nto leyo kwakhulunywa kwafikelelwa yabo.
No, but
because if umthetho like ngaleso sikhathi wawungekho like dominant party kwakuwumthetho wawukhona, then uzomela ukuthi ulandele. But if bawu implement ngenxa ukuthi sokunele case kanje, then he's out. Funa ube ukuthi kuqalwa now going forward.
Yeah, but according to him, yena uthi ngokwakhe into eyenza ngo-2011 it was not really umshado. Babengashadi and they were not in a space okanye in their minds they were not saying ukuthi okay we are getting married now, no. Okwenziwa nje amalobolo kuphela. And according to isiZulu inkinga la ifisha khona ukuthi according to isiZulu amalobolo umshado once walobolo ushadile. According to isiZulu ke manje.
Yeah, ushadile.
Ngawukwazi walobola usazoshada awukashadi ngesiZulu.
Yeah, kodwa so kuumuntu onjani umcelile kubo ukuthi ni
umcelile okusho ukuthi uyini uyingoduso. Momcelile uyingoduso.
Yeah,
ngesiZulu.
Yeah, ingoduso yakho.
Ingoduso yakho
Yeah, ingoduso yakho.
Umshado. Uzoba unkosikazi nini after umshado. Okusho ukuthi ngokwesiZulu we don't recognize ukuthi amalobola umshado.
So mamcela which means mamcela uthi makathathe irresponsibility yokuba unkosikazi, but you can still change.
No, that irresponsibility yokuba ifiance ngoduso.
Yeah.
Hayi unkosikazi.
Yeah, kodwa sengiyasho ukuthi like but looking at this thing uyaba ukuthi it's fair, but at some point can you imagine for ukuthi cause uzothi once waba nesithole senkomo so uyocela and then uyazi ukuthi usazoshintsha ekugcineni kosuku. You don't think ukuthi like lento ukuthi maso uthi like unaleso sithole sakho senkomo wahamba emzini wendoda ufike wathi yamcela umuntu, like it will make you to push. You must take a clear decision ukuthi what is it that you are doing.
You take it serious.
Yeah, you take it serious.
Yeah,
that is why ngisho ukuthi mabe ukuthi seyibekwe yaba clear kanje kungcono ubalance ukuthi no angakabikho ready yabo, because once wahamba akusabali ukuthi walobola ngo-5,000 noma kwaba u-10,000 but ukuthi uyile
zonke lezi zizoyilobolile manje ngokomthetho zishadile zonke manje
phakathi manje akusekho ungcono noma kuthiwa mhlawumbe bokushiya ukuthi ni madoda ofuna ukuyilanda-ke iy'nkomo zakhe manje angayilanda ngoba after this
ushadile
ngoba isifiti ngiyakutshela.
Kodwa inkinga ukuthi especially thina endlini emnyama abantu abamnyama we were not very clued up, especially like 80s, 90s, early 90s, or even late 90s until like early 2000s. We were not very clued up when it comes to indaba zemithetho, when it comes to umshado. That is why we didn't even know ukuthi okay mina not mina, a lot of people didn't know ukuthi uma ushadiswa umfundisi like already that's automatically in community of property. Abantu abaningi bayashada, they don't even know ukuthi there's something called out of community of property. They don't even know what does that mean. They just go for it. Abantu bayashada, they have no idea what is happening. But into ebalekile njengamanje kumele wazi ukuthi uma uyolobola sekumshado lo enkantolo okanye ke Home Affairs. Okusho ukuthi mawukuthi ubuseyinhlelweni zokuthi ufuna wena ukushada in out of community of property. And then ke kumele before uyolobola uqala uhlangana nama attorneys wenze ANC.
Exactly, because like the black people, more especially like obaba bethu, omkhulu bethu, they didn't understand indaba omshado. Bawuthola nje ukuthi ni kuyahanja kuyolotsholwa and then sebehlala ndawonye kuyaziwa nje endaweni ukuthi I know unkosikazi kasibani bani. But uthi mawulandelela uthola ukuthi like there is no marital certificate like nje omunye usabiza isibongo sakubo but bashade ngisho ukuthi umshado ube successful, umndeni uyakhula kuze kube ukuthi abantu abadala but ayikho into ebhalwe phansi ukuthi ni like labantu bashadile, which is I think this it's gonna help uyabo ukuthi noba bekhona ufakazi kwalokhuza kwashado
yabo because Black Coffee lento bese iwinile ushawe nezithombe zamalabo basheka bheka bothi
abonakala amathete memezi sangweni
akala ukuthi again ngizana ngeke mnizana but mina I do feel for him man. I do feel for him. I do feel like it's unfair because before upasiswa lomthetho according to isiZulu mawulobolela ushadile, so 2011 mayilobola bengashadi. So bona sebethi ngemashuthi manje ngokwe law wayishada ngoba noba ngokuyena ama intentions wakhe angawona ukushada because wayengeke ngo2017 enze prenup kanti wayishada ngo2011
yabo.
So manje futhi ushayekile ngaleyo.
Exactly, yabona nje khona umngane wami mfethu oyelobolile unkosikazi wakhe but bengashadanga. Ngake ngimzwe nje masihamba naye endleleni ufona abantu bama contract bambuza ukuthi married or single, ngimzwe ethi single kodwa ngiyamazi unawo unkosikazi yabo ngenxa ukuthi there is no paperwork yabo. But manje okusho ukuthi once walobola indaba yakho seyicacile,
awusekho single mawugcwalisa iform lapha awusekho single. So
but you don't think abakhongi they need to be equipped about these things? Ukuthi lento enizoyisho la niyazi ukuthi izosthatha isibeke
sure obese ke but isathatha kancane.
Exactly,
bethe ngoba mfethu anabo abakhongi yazi quick one nabakhongi ababhayize kanjani last year towards the end of the year belobolela intwana yami. So manje into eyenzakalayo bayaqala baya feedback lapha bayasho ukuthi okay no naye phela ke umjida ufuna uyolobola uthatha izinsiza ayithembayo itime lakhe nomunye umjida nje sibethembilwa ngale emakhaya wasempendle. So a day before bayolobola bese bayaplana ukuthi okay so fike yabo game plan ukuthi masifika lapha this is what we're going to do and this is how we're going to negotiate. Sizobuya naye lo muntu ephila yabo ayivele ke khululeka mfana soyishaya lento ayizizwa ayethemba ibona ukuthi ayengiphethe ingqeqeke la bazoyishaya lento. Mabefika lapha bafike ngo6 ayibamemeze mfana bamemeza aphumude bamemeze ukuthi maqala yoshaya after an hour kushaya 7 bonakala esangenela ngemuva kungena abantu shutha bebiza abazo omalume after kungena omalume hayi bese bayabiza so hayi nona ngangena ngaphakathi hayi bangene ngaphakathi bafaka kwenye indlu kwenze into engajwayelekile nje kulendlu abafake nakho umuntu ibona kuphela babona ayijwayelekile ke le ngoba phela bona balindele ukuthi mabengena sekunabo malume kuzoba ingxoxo zoqala negotiations. Hayi bathi besaxakene kanjalo ukuthi akwenzakalani ngene izintombi zibanikeza ukudla hawo yabo basho ukuthi hathina sengalo kuthiwa no relaxani khulekani ngene ukudla kuthiwa le ngane ngenayo ziyashisa bro ziyashisa bese emva kokudla vele ngene utshwala sivele zishaye lezi oyedwa lo mjida sependle ukuthaza ukuthi akapositive hayi vele bashaya
hayibo.
After boma 45 minutes to an hour so uyoshawa 8 babizwe endleleni ukuthi hayi bakangena ke manje aqala ingxoxo sesidakiwe inyosi
bafuyela emakhaya manje asopha so
efethu ukutshela ukuthi labantu laba bavume yonke into bro bavume yonke into. In fact because the initial plan was that bayocela bathi ukhipha okuncane amalobola thile uzobuya ezoqedela
okay
gcina bengakhipha ngalutho bacelile nje kuphela nakhona bacelile babese bathatha ilist imfethu list masiyibheka into ezifunayo 100,000 most add income 100,000 aba negotiator akho ama price amount uthi ahlatshiwe ukuthi okay bekuyimali beku 14,000 inkomo kamahla ba negotiator bathi hayi kuzoba 8,000 cha 14 to a point where abantu bokubantombazana bayabuza bazana ukuthi abantu bebezokwenza bebezonegotiate nabo bezonza
bezothatha ilist
ama price ebefake abe ama suggestion bekulindele bazo negotiate abenzanga next
babebheke ekhaya ilist
basabuza ukuthi sithini manje bazana abantu bababhayizisile so ayabakho ngiphethe ngeke
yeah no nanokuthi like as I'm learning something kule story show more special if there is this new law manje ukuthi I think negotiation they need to be done with sober minds.
Yeah.
If kumele ubabridalize abalokhoza bakho abakhongi bakho. Check bro ngoba manje that's lento yokhulunywa lapha ya sokumshado manje.
Sekumele be serious.
Kunabofakazi ukuthi no kunabo abantu bafikile bakhipha imali nani.
Yeah. Ngoba once baqeda lapho lo muntu lo uma uthi awenza ngiprenup lo muntu lo use own half of your things, half of your assets.
Can you imagine?
Half of your money.
Yeah.
Which is it's really unfair man, especially if like lento yabo lento break off mfethu lo muntu la akenzanga next uzothola ama million uzoba multi-millionaire manje, multi-millionaire. And that's so unfair man. As a person ke when ikuthini kuwena amayithi amaloya akaclaimela yonke le mali kulo muntu ukuthini wena as a person umuntu owazi ukuthi uyisebenzele into le wena sozothola mahhala. I think it's very unfair man. I think it's very unfair, which is why I was very happy when I saw one of the podcast. I think it's El Tido.
Yeah.
He was interviewing this lady, I think Nkosikazi was Nandi Madid.
Yeah.
Avela shaya ezinye mfana. Shaya ezinye. Impethu yakho ibonela ukuthi kubonesa. Hayi yabona amakhosikazi okanye abesifazana abanje mfana babaliwe kakhulu especially lesikhathi esiphila kusona. Ngikubonise le video le. Hey, that's not the one.
In a very genuine way. I do here have to advocate in a very genuine way. Seriously, our black men have gone through so much. And financially, it's almost impossible to try empower yourself, even when you try. You know, the system's against you. You know, people don't have support from the government. You have 400 years of being, oppressed. Where is this money going to come from? You know? And so we do have to give our fellow black men grace. And if you can see, the intention is to do better, and make someone something serious. That's a good guy.
Yeah.
And I mean that genuinely. I always say that, black men, particularly I'm going to speak about South Africa because I'm proudly South African. You guys are up against so much.
And I think it's interesting because we never have these conversations. And the rhetoric and the narrative out there is like, I am not Bob the Builder. I'm not building any man. And we're not saying take a guy that's a bum, that has no vision, that has no ambition, and make him your man. But it's like everyone is still working on themselves. I think we judge each other like very harshly. We're looking for people who are already made or who are like already perfect. And I think that's why there's so much miscommunication between males and females.
I do here have to advocate.
So what are your thoughts? What are your thoughts on emntwini wesifazane okwazi ukunderstanda isimo okanye okwazi ukunderstanda inkinga abantu besilisa ababhekene nazo?
Yeah, ukuthi akhulume ngaphandle loud kanje it helps a lot yabo ebantwini besilisa yabo. But not that abantu besifazane aba like they don't understand what she is saying. I believe that they do understand, but because of the society, what is the force that is generating, like it becomes a norm ukuthi umuntu wesifazane kumele adepende emntwini wesifazane emntwini wesilisa and then agcine sempressurize
Yeah.
Yes, and then ngisho
For example, like khona into engicabanga uke wayibona reality show ebeyiku Netflix, if I'm not mistaken, no DStv, Nandi and the Rev.
no, I never saw.
You never saw it? Yo, my God, it was crazy. So basically, yo, I know I'm not gonna, I'm not gonna, but it, like that reality show showed that into engibonisa yona mina ukuthi most of abantu besifazane, they don't understand. They don't have any idea of what is it that men have to go through, or what is it that men have to do. It's just like lamamimi esijwayele ukwabona ukuthi umuntu usebenze kanzima mfowethu, egqoka amabhuzu, ilanga liyashisa, esebenzela nje ukuthi 50% mayibuya endlini, 50% uyahamba uya entombini uya unkosikazi as allowance. Unkosikazi who does not even appreciate ukuthi lo muntu usebenza kanzima kangakanani.
Yeah.
And it makes it ngathini ingenze mfethu ngabona ukuthi wow, there are kunabantu besifazana abakanje mfethu, and lento le shuthi ishayile. Umuntu ozo understanda izimo zabantu kodwa yena azabantu besilisa engayena nomuntu wesilisa, okusho ukuthi she understands, she has an idea ukuthi abantu besilisa what is it that they have to go through each and every day in order for them to babonakale bela abantu laba besilisa abastrong, abanemindeni, abakhulisa imindeni and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Waphela ubona abanye abantu besilisa ungaze ubablame like ukuthi abaphushi, but baphelele endleleni abanye. Yabo, like babonile ukuthi no bro, like kuyenyukela ukuba umuntu wesilisa yabo, bagcina sebelilahla ithawula yabo, and then ugcina sekubanzima nje wena ungakhuluma wena ngenxa ukuthi kwazile ukusthatha step esiyaphambili, and then wagcina sokuthini so gain momentum, and then wahambe waya phambili. But khona omunye umuntu obefisa yabo, and then wacaka ukuthi indlela iyenyuka, wagcina sebona naye ukuthi I know ukuthi ngivele ngipheleli la. Yabo, because uyawezwa amaqhawe masohleli nawo ngisho lawa kuma lower levels ukuthi ni like there's a human being la, yabo, kukhona like there's kunomuntu yabo, it's just that akuhambanga kahle.
Yeah. So where the problem is lapho khona most of abantu besifazane mabibona umuntu wesilisa, they don't see a human being but they see a provider, someone that they should ask things from without seeing umuntu wesilisa. Without seeing a human being within him. So where do you think the problem is?
It's a society. Yeah, it's a society. Uyabona umuntu wesifazane mayikhula ekhaya, ukhula efundiswa nayo ukuthi ukusho ukuthini ukubekezelela, like ukubekezelela isimo sasekhaya yabo. Phela mabe ukuthi sohlala nomuntu wesilisa manje uthandana naye, like you are building a family yabo. So now uqala nini manje ukubona ukuthi lo muntu lona kufunakala abe overall like akwazi ukuprovide everything yabo. And then it goes back ukuba kind to one another yabo, ukuthi ni ngoba sikhulisa umndeni nje yabo. Even if you are a housewife, ukuba housewife akusho ukuthi like you are just sitting down and waiting yabo. Like you can stay at home planning ukuthi okay, we are having this salary, we are having these things yabo, how do we manage, senza kanjani ukuthi umthwalo ungabibikho emahlombe yabo. Uthola ukuthi the man is going out but the woman is managing. Yabo. So that's partnering. Yabo.
Yeah. Sure man. Nginabathida phela aphethe abhekene nenkinga bro. Umuntu athe efike esebenze kanzima, afike nalinto encane abuya naye. I appreciate. It's too small.
Killing the man.
It's not enough.
Yabo.
It's not enough.
No, ukubekezelelana most of the time.
But I think the one of the other reasons, I wouldn't say it's the main reason, but ezinye zezizathu ezenza ukuthi most of females, most of like abantu besifazane behluleka uku-understand and appreciate izinto abantu besilisa that have to go through in order for them to be the people labantu besifazane ababafunayo. It's because most of them, they don't have the understanding of what is going on. They don't know, because you see, Sisi Nandi, she speaks about a system. She understands system. As long as you are black, I think I once came across data, stats, article. Ibonisa ukuthi people that are abantu abahola kakhulu, number one, abaphambili. Asikhulumi ama-qualifications ayafana, ama-positions ayafana, yes. Kodwa abantu abahola ngaphezulu, white men, that's the first one, first people. Those are the number one, and then white women.
Yeah.
And then sometimes it can be black women. or black men, but white women, most of the time black men will be ekugcineni. But same position, same qualification, same company. So she understands the system, how are things going. So now the reason why most of abantu besifazane bengenayo leyo zwelwano is because some of them don't even know. They have no idea what is it that abantu besilisa have to go through. Into abayaziyo nje bona, it's what they are, into ababhekene nayo. Like impilo abayiphilayo bona aba understand ukuthi yini abantu besilisa kumele babhekane nayo. I think that's one of the reasons why sinaba quality kangaka. I know this what I'm saying that because I saw this guy. There's this one guy who exposes gold diggers. Figure approach to bazane ayishele ibe simphampele yabo siqhube sigrade ashele simphampele aku BM lapha bese mayisengena ku BM buyisa igijini. Buyisa igijini bese umtshela ukuthi I know there was a mistake, you can take my number what. Mayitha no asam so lidina ivume ingene emotweni bahamba. And then because siyabona unemali lo muntu isiyamthambela. And then emva kwalo isiphushelana girlfriend allowance. There's this lady who was saying girlfriend allowance yakhe kumele bo 60,000 and up. And above 60,000.
Can you imagine how can you ask imali efana naleyo 60,000 for by girlfriend yabo?
Just by girlfriend.
So that is why ngisho ukuthi yini nako ukulokhuza ukuz understand njengomuntu wesifazane. And I don't think that is a wife material. That's not a wife material, bro.
If you're a politician, then it is wife material.
It is.
If you're a politician, because I mean tenders.
I know. You see, it's just that like kukhona okunye ukuthi ni ufuna ukubukeka as if kukhona abantu besifazana ubona ukuthi mangihamba na ngizobukeka as if izinto sihamba nawe as a man we are putting yourself down kanjalo yabo because manje you don't understand yabona makuukuthi ni ngathini what do you marry emntwini wesifazane omuhle ngaphakathi ngaphandle kunomuntu wesifazane omuhle ngaphakathi yabo ngcono omuhle ngaphakathi yabo because ubuhle bangaphakathi when it shows outside then but lobo ngaphandle kunzima ukuthi kungaphindela ngaphakathi
yabo but according to you what are the boxes you tick to say ukuthi lo muntu lona it's a wife material? What makes a wife material according to you?
What makes a wife material? Standards number one.
What do you mean with standards?
What do I mean? Umuntu wesifazane always understand ama standards wakhe yabo because like ngizoya njengalo mzekelo oqeda ukukhuluma ngawo ukuthi ni mangabe ukuthi usebona iBM sebuyele emuva. Why you don't stand kuloko bosokushilo eqaleni ukuthi ni mina angidingi umuntu leso njenganawe yabo. Inoba ngaba yini ongakuvela nayo yabo mina angimdingi umuntu wesilisa ofana nawe yabo. So which means I'm standing on what I'm saying.
Yeah. Okay, my standards, what else? Is that like that's that all?
No, that's not all. Ziningi izinto that can show up but ngenxa ukuthi like we're talking about the highlights yabo. Number 2 ngingasho ukuthi umuntu wesifazane who's family orientated. Umuntu ukuthi ni like ucabanga ngefamily more than anything yabo. Umuntu ozocabanga ngawe more than ecabanga ngaye yabo. And then you will meet halfway of course mangabe ukuthi kanje because now uzocabanga ngaye ngithi. Yabo.
Yeah, you know I think the wife material
for you,
for me they
will come for you.
That's the wife material, my guy. You know why, man? Because that kind of a wife will make you ukuthi noba zikunetha kangakanani noba kunzima kangakanani mfethu mobuyile endlini uyazi ukuthi ubuyele emthunzini welanga. Yabo ngangihleli ngisho ngize ngakhuleka ngoba sengibona uNkosikazi wazi ekubantwini ngangihleli ngisho ukuthi ngiyafisa insizwa mfethu zibe noNkosikazi afana nowami. Yabo ngoba I always feel like insizwa zinenkingini yabo like because I never knew ukuthi kunomuntu okanje. Because my wife is like that, man. Noba ngabe kwenzakalani like but I know mangibuyele endlini mfethu. Lapha ila khona ngiyophumula khona lapha khona ngiyo-understand khona and not just ukuthi ngiya-understand just because umuntu uyangithanda. No, because she really understands, man. She really gets it. And she knows what she needs to do. It's not like we understand kuphela, but she knows exactly what she needs to do to make sure that we are support and we are push as well. So that's a wife material, man.
But also now okusho ukuthi isupport akunikeza yona uyayamkela.
Yes.
Because it can happen uthola ukuthi unkosikazi usupportive but when you don't receive the support.
Njengaje.
Yeah, it happens. Ukuthola ukuthi yazi ukuthi kukhona mina khona abajida bami uthola ukuthi mhlambe athi yazi umzolisto mfethu kunalo umuntu wesifazane mfethu ongithandayo yabo. Mayifika endlini ufika enza u1 no 2 no 3 no 4 no 5 yabo. Ngiyambona ukuthi uyangithanda. Kodwa sengifuna ukuyikhipha kuyona ngoba sengiyabona uba ngizokhetha.
Oh.
What is it that you want? Angithi uthi wena ungitshena ukuthi uyakuthanda. Okusho ukuthi this person it doesn't want to receive love. Umuntu wesifazane ufika nothando but wena uthini uyangithanda kodwa ngifuna ukuphuma kuyena ngoba ngiyambona ukuthi uyangithanda ngizoze ngikhethe.
So sho ukuthi ke phela ke sho ukuthi ngalo ndlela lo mjida lo ubengazelanga uthando. Ubezile ezinye izinto.
But
Ngoba manje uzile kwi relationship uthola uthando uyaphuma.
mayiphuma uyaphi?
Uyofuna angazi uyofunani
Mayiphuma uyaphi? Uyafuna uthando futhi.
Usho ukuthi ke angazi. Usho ukuthi ke his explanation of uthando it's different from what she was getting or what he was getting from lo muntu wesifazane.
Exactly. Yazi mina I've noticed like bukhona abantu esihlala nabo esikhuluma ngabo about ama relationships yabo. Ngibone ukuthi bro like yazi ukuthi abantu more especially abakhulile nakuthina like you think they understand better when it comes to love. But at the end of the day like they understand nothing. Yabo ngothando. Yabo like mhlambe ngothi ngenza umzekelo ngawe yabo ukuthi like wena like since umuntu odayisa property right. Kunabantu abadala abanye they are professors yabo. But mawufika kubona soxoxa kubona like you will see ukuthi they understand nothing about property. They understand nothing about money. Yabo. So it doesn't mean ukuthi like nokukhula kusho ukuthi you understand things yabo. So all what I'm saying ukuthi kunabantu bro othola ukuthi like they are in a relationship for isikhathi eside but uthando lwabo like ayikho into esustainayo. Yabo they don't even understand one another. Even if like you pick up ama small particles ngabo ukuthi yazi nganganibona nenza u1 no 2 they get excited like it's something new to them yabo. They don't notice things yabo.
Yeah.
Bahlele nje because kukhona abantu like that in love bahlelele ekuthenini like at least I have a man eduze kwami. They don't have
For just convenience.
For the partner yabo. Yabo ukuthi ngina umuntu wesilisa oseceleni kwami. Ngina umuntu wesifazane oseceleni kwami. But the understanding of love they don't understand and they don't want even to practice it yabo. Bahlangana ngobani sebenezidingo zomuntu wesilisa nomuntu wesifazane. Can you imagine growing up with family fana nale yabo? I think there's a workshop that needs to be done.
Men's conference.
Yeah, like nabantu besifazana they need to be equipped. Yeah, they need to be equipped about uthando because like you would find people like abantu they are searching for love sebebadala but amathuba bebekhona but they never recognize ama opportunities as because khona umuntu othola ukuthi ungene kwi relationship yabo once yaba na 3 months uyabona bayiseyindala kakhulu le relationship le sokumele ngiphume kuyona.
Somele phume.
Exactly. Yazi ukuthi mina like I find abantu kuthiwa aba date for 14 years. How can you date for 14 years? How can you date for 14 years, bro?
Yeah,
what
it's a long
sense
time.
that is
It's
making?
a long time.
It's a long time.
Yeah, 14 years.
Exactly. And then
But yazi inkinga yabantu abakanjalo they date for 14 years and kusho ukuthi ngiyashada manje once bashada bavele bahlukana.
exactly.
Why? It was better ukuthi bavele bajole ukuthi bashada because
They fear for the responsibility.
mase semshadweni.
Masebesemshadweni.
Ibhlungu lento namzolisto because once lento boyisho ukuthi abantu basemshadweni just because of convenience umuntu just ukuthi nje lento ukuthi nginomuntu wesifazane okanye nginomuntu wesilisa usehlalele lokho but ukuthi are they still working on their relationship emdlalweni babo othandweni labo no.
Yeah.
Ngoba lento leyo icabangeke manje ukuthi what kind of environment abazoyicreate for ingane because bazoba nazo ingane phela bazoba nazo ingane lezo ingane zizokhulela kwifamily enjani.
Exactly.
That is why sometimes uthola ukuthi amajida nabantu besifazane of course balokhu njana be umuntu uthola ukuthi like uya engage naye kanje mhlawumbe i-colleague yakho semsebenzini nayikhulumela kanje but umuntu ngaphakathi mfethu ulimele because of i-environment akhulele kuyona.
Exactly.
Because of indlela akhulise ngayo and indlela umndeni wakhe o-operate ngayo. Ingawo lento isho ukuthi i-workshop iyadingeka nje ukuthi bekhona ama-topics anjenganabo strong families ukuthi ke imindeni iqininiswa kanjani.
Exactly.
Abantu bastrugglisha imindeni. Abantu babona behleka phethe imindeni hlubile bro.
Bastrugglisha
Hlubile.
Bastrugglisha nanokuthi enye into abantu that they need to understand about ama relationship ukuthi uthando nalo lufana nendlu liyakhiwa yabo. That is why you would find abantu bakudala bethi umchithela umuzi wami yabo, because you can't uchitha into engazange ibuild yabo. You build love.
So liyakhiwa.
Yeah, when you build love then you learn. Into ebalulekile kakhulu ukuthi are you learning in kuma mistakes enzakalayo, because to fail is not a problem, but to give up then you are a failure. So like, are you learning in ngama mistake enzakalayo ebudlelwaneni benu? Because if you learn then you become better. Yeah, and it takes a person who oshadela ukuthi I'm not getting married to break up. I'm not dating to break up. So now then you learn to be kind to one another. Ukuthi okay, othi ngimnikeze ithuba lokuthi uyifunde lento le. That is why like mina sometimes I get confused like when I see the really abantu abakebudlelwaneni shouting one another. Why would you shout your partner? Because you are not enemies. Yeah. Come with your facts. Come with your facts. Put on the table, and then we agree on one thing. Okay, then this one must. Sure. You don't need to shout your partner because, like, you are partners. You are not enemies. And then after this conversation, you will carry on to be partners.
Phela angithenye into ukuthi enye into shabantu abasebudlelwaneni ukuthi whenever there is a problem, one tries to win. The argument, and then that becomes a problem because if umjida uqabana nethekeni okanye nonkosikazi wakho and you are trying to win, even if you win that conversation, even if you win that argument, you're not a winner. Because you won against your wife lost. If your wife lost, you lost as well.
Exactly.
So inking approach ukuthi more approach inking conflict, are you getting there to find the best way going forward, or you getting there to prove your point so that you can win?
Exactly.
You see, but because of time, there's one more thing I wanted us to talk about before we close. I think I shouldn't be laughing. It's very emotional and critical. Lo mchida lo mfethu ubulala ingane zo-14 evana. So ngibe ngikhuluma ke lana nomntwana sekhaya uMathembane, and the reason why bengikhuluma naye ngale ndaba ukuthi phela naye malume yabo. And we were talking, man, I realized so many things. What's number one, according to me, yes, ingane ezo-14 zishonile zidlulile emhlabeni.
That's painful.
And that's very painful, my guy.
Painful.
Imagine if there is umzali lapho benengane ezo-2. And all of a sudden access uba nangane ekhaya because of this thing, yabo. It's very painful to a point which I can only imagine the pain that those parents are going through, yabo. At the same time, I don't think society is dealing nale situation ngendlela right, because most abantu abaningi, especially social media, they are really trying to bury, they are judging and they are trying to bury this guy lo mshitalo. And to be honest with you, na intwana nayo le intwana encane nayo le. So njengamanje bengithi into bengisho kumshitalo sekhaya ukuthi ayikho into engenziwa njengamanje ukuze lengane zibuye. Ayikho into esengenziwa ukuze save le ngane. Okwenzekile sekwenzakalile. The only person that can be saved now osenkingeni yangempela ulo mjida ile ntwana le, because lena I think he's only 22. Okusho ukuthi mfowethu already lento akayiplananga, akazange ayiplana lento. Izenzakalele ngephutha ngobudedengu bakhe. Ubudedengu ke udriver nawe uyazi siyabenza. Into esiyenzayo maningi ama-flop esiwenzayo each and every day. We are just like ukuthi into ekanje ayenzeki. So into engishoyo mina ukuthi lo mjida lo mfethu he deserves a second chance. Akaxolele lo mjida. Ngoba you know, even mangathiwa kubuyiswa le ngane ziyabuza ukuthi enziwe kanjani lo muntu, probably ngathi akaxolele, because you'll never, unless you umalume wezingane, you'll never understand the relationship yamalume nengane adrive yabo. Yes, it's painful ukuthi ingane ishonela like I can't take that pain away. It's really painful. I can't ngathina ngikwazi ukuthi ngingakusho lo. It's very painful. Lengane lishone mfethu lengane probably zishone ezidlala. Because uma ukuthi ukubona ingane mfethu mazilayisha umalume, ingane azikwazi ukuhlala kanje etheksini nje abantu abadala. Ziyadlala zikubhiziwe, zishone edlala. Which is really really painful. Kodwa lokho akuchazi mfethu ukuthi ke manje sekuzomela ukuthi ke umphakathi mfethu society yakithi ingasayinikeza second chance lentwana. Eyenze iphutha njengalabanye abantu.
Yeah.
But when what is your take, especially since you are someone ingane yakho inomalume ihamba nge-transport nayo?
Yeah, well, into engingayisho ngale ndaba le mfethu yalo mjita lo. Well, mangithi ngiyakuzama ukuthi makaxolelwe. Well, ukuxolela simxolela ukuthi like into ebengenzeka ngisho noma ukuba yabo.
Yes.
But umthetho ufuna uthathe indlela yawo ngendlela yawo now.
Yes.
Mele athathelwe nje inqumo uzokuthini, but noma eboshiwe kodwa ke singabe sisambophela inhliziyo zethu. Akube ukuthi ugwetshwa icala alenzile. Uyabo? Ekugcineni kosuku. But mostly important mina into engingayisho yazi kukhona lento ukuthi uthola ukuthi overtake umuntu ufuna uzovala ispace lesesincane sila ngaphambi kwakhe yabo. Ike yenzeka kumina manje yabo ukuthi like sengifuna ukuya ku driver we truck yabo ukuthi no driver we truck ube ngama yabo ashaya ama hazard langozi ibengoseveka yabo. Ike yenzeka kumina lonto ngibona umuntu engovertake ngiyazibuza ukuthi hawu lo muntu ungovertake kanjani because irobot izovala livele lisivalele sigijimelana serobotini elivalile and ufuna ukuzosqueeze kule space which means senginisa space esincane mina so ukuthi ngibreake manje mangibreakele irobot yabo. So sengisho ukuthi le ngozi sengazi ukuthi ingaba isifundo kuthina abantu abawu drive yabo. Mhlawumbe uthi ngikhulume nje ngibheke straight ekamereni ukuthi le ngozi sengazi ukuthi ingaba isifundo kuthina abantu abawu driver ukuthi akusiza ukuphuthuma ungezufika la uyakhona.
Showcase.
So lokho ama rules omgaqo masithini akube ukuthi siyawalandela and futhi lezi zinto zokusqueeze it's not right yabo because nami ngiyama ngisho ukuthi lo muntu ngithema ngi-overtake yafika into ethi othi ngimvalele but ngiyabona ukuthi nemoto ezayo kanje ngithi ayish kabuya lokhuza kwabuya lengozi emnqondweni ukuthi mhlambe they had this thing emnqondweni zabo yabo ngabe sengathi awuthi ngimiyeke egcineni kosuku lento seyidlulile seliphelile usuku kanje wadlula. So sengisho ukuthi sengazathi every time umoya mawusivukela ukuthi sengazathi ungampintsha umuntu engathi ungayicabanga ukuthi yeke kwenzeke into engaka yabo nawe sulenza phela leliphutha manje akube ukuthi lo mjita manje sesimthatha njengenesifundo ukuthi asike sizikuze silandele imithetho yomgaqo yabo.
Yeah. No, especially abantu abadrive ingane because manje yabo lapha mfethu ilengane eningi kakhulu bekhona president lapha bekhona udokotela bekhona ama lawyer lapha mfethu. It's not a small thing. Ayenzile lo mjita yabo. So the only thing engenzeka manje ukuthi umthetho udlala indima yawo. Like this guy has to suffer the consequences. I'm not against that because it will also help bonke driver to see ama consequences. Okuba ukuthatha ama risk kanjalo especially uma unengane ngemuva. But then also I don't think driver we truck is 100% like innocent because I'm sure there's something he could have done. Not to say ukuthi he was wrong. He had all the rights ukuthi ahambe emgwaqweni wakhe but if there was a way for him to avoid ingozi bekumele uyithathile into leyo. Ngiyazi sibana lento boyisho ukuthi sibana into ukuthi wenzani lo usephutheni
ngothi ngimvalele
awuthi ngigcwalisele but buka manje siphethe
yabo
bekunengane ezingena cala
yabo
ingane ezinnocent ezigcina sezikwazi ukuthi zidlule emhlabeni
nanokuthi enye
soul rest in peace man and abazala ngathi bangayithola indlela ukuthi baxole badlulise ayikho into engadluli.
Kuyadlula konke nanokuthi enye uNkulunkulu uphile uNkulunkulu uthathile nanokuthi like njengoba usho nawo ukuthi like lokhuza uMathembane umalume naye nami ngiyamazi uMathembane yabo. So sengisho ukuthi ulayisha umzali ingane yami yabo. So sengisho ukuthi siyazwana naye ngiyamthemba ngengane yami ukuthi uhamba naye. But if a mistake, ngiyazi that's sensitive. But if mistake happens tomorrow, akusasho ukuthi useyisigebengu. Akase nife nani sengisho ukuthi lo mjita naye umndeni wakhe uyakhala la ukhona ukuthi into eyenzekile
ngoba na kuyacabanga iweight
muhle ekhaya yabo nanokuthi I believe ukuthi lengane mhlambe ezinye wasiqala from grade R wakhuphuka nazo zaziza sokunobudlelwane nabazali sengiyazi ukuthi nango December ngifune emalume ngoba ngiyazi nginomalume wami olasha ingane zami I have a trust yabo sengisho ukuthi as much as ngingekho einyaweni zabazali but kulokho nje ukudlulisa nje enhlizweni bese umthetho uthatha indawo yawo
wathemba nakhala uthi after isigameko lesi bamfonela abazali bro bamfonela
ngoba nami ngake waba nawo ukuthi ngimsendele ilink iqala before sikhulume yabo ngabe sengathi hayi
idlulisi bamfonela uthi bamfonela kakhulu abazali after lengozi lebembuza ukuthi uyibonile ingozi uyasho ukuthi ngiyibonile so basho bethi ngeke siyacela manje ubekho efula abathemba nabatshela ukuthi hayi no once ingane yakho ayifaka emgaqweni okwazi ukuthi bathe bala behlala phela yazi wathini abazali bebatshela ukuthi ingane mayingena emotweni imoto yangena emgaqweni sengingenzanga noba yini because cabanga ukuba i-truck belisendaweni ye-taxi i-taxi endaweni ye-truck still bebezofa abantwana even though malume bengekho ecaleni yabo so into engingasho nje mina ukuthi yes I'm trying by all means to be careful but it doesn't mean ukuthi ngekwenzeke ingane
emgaqweni
noba yini ngenzeka yabo ngasho ngathi hayi umalume
hayi no mfethu into kanjalo nje ukuthi nanokukhuleka nje before ingane zihambe yabo samthemba uNkulunkulu ukuthi naye uyangenelela ayigcina
no right no man ngicabanga ukuthi siyivalela thank you so much guys this is it
no I think sithintile into eziningi more especially about families man
but I think I believe what we have to speak more about the families so that
because sibuye emakhaya
people kwenzela ukuthi abantu ababhekana lezi zimo kanje emindenini nabo babe nawukhuleka ukuthi hayi no kahle hle I don't have to do these things I don't have to entertain umuntu engibona ukuthi I appreciate I think we're going to speak a lot about those things but whatever you guys want us to speak about just go to the comments and suggest topic enfuna sikhulume ngawo nezinto nje enfuna si-engage kuzona you guys can always suggest but with that being said guys this is episode number 2 let's meet again on episode number 3
danko